In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Payoneer account in just a few minutes. If you no longer need your account or simply want to simplify your finances, follow along and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Payoneer website. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, make sure your phone is nearby so you can confirm the login. After you've logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and then go to Profile Settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll see the option to Close Account. Before you continue, make sure your Payoneer balance is 0. Withdraw any remaining funds first, because you won't be able to access the account once it's closed. Also remember that after closing your account, your data and transaction history may no longer be available. And if you were using a Payoneer card, destroy it to prevent any misuse. When you're ready, click Close Account. A confirmation message may appear. Just confirm your decision and Payoneer will process the closure. And that's it, your Payoneer account is now closed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple finance tutorials.